How to connect Razorpay to Wix website. So in order to connect them, what we can do is we just need to navigate to our actual dashboard and then go to the payments option. So we have in here this getting paid and we can click onto this connect and setup option. Now once you have clicked on it, it will show you up in here this part. Now in here, just click onto this connect payment method. And then in here, you can click onto the see more payment options. So from in there, it will actually show you a list of more options that we have right there. Now in here, we have these options. However, do take note that these payment options actually differ on each region. So I have in here the Send It and Dragon Pay because I'm currently in the Philippines. But if you're on the US, wherein Razorpay is accepted, you can find them right there. So for example, if it's Razorpay, just click on the disconnect options right there and then just input your API key, salt, and from in there, make sure to connect using this right there. So this is how you connect Razorpay to Wix website. Hope we helped.